Disconnect the power prior to disassembly. Remove 2 screws. Push the top plate backwards and remove it. When the top plate is removed, you can replace the sub-PCB, the pressure sensor, the AC filter or the input valves. We will now remove the control panel, which contains the display PCB. Remove 2 screws. Remove the detergent and softener tray. Press the yellow clip down. Remove 2 long screws. Pull the control panel assembly forward and up. Disconnect the display PCB. If needed, you can remove the main PCB now. Remove 2 screws. Slide the main PCB left to remove it. Naturally, you need to disconnect all connectors now to remove the main PCB. This is not shown in the video. We will now remove the front. Open the hatch and detach the hose. Remove 1 screw. We will now remove the spring that holds the rubber gasket. You may alter the position of the spring when you reassemble the unit. This may prevent vibrations of the door. Remove 1 or more screws below. Remove left and right screws on the top. Close the door. Remove the middle screw on top. Keep hold of the front to prevent that it falls. Bring the front forward on top and lift it. Check the position of the hooks on the bottom. Disconnect the door lock. Now you can remove the weights, pumps, heater and thermistor.